In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your expenses using the Receipts tab or mobile app. Managing receipts can often feel like an overwhelming task, but with the right tools and techniques, you can streamline the process and stay organized. So, let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by accessing the Receipts tab or your mobile app. This will be your central hub for managing all your receipts, whether they're from digital sources or physical copies. Make sure you have easy access to your account either on your computer or through your smartphone. This flexibility ensures that you can manage your receipts whether you're at home or on the go. Once you're ready, look for the option to upload a receipt. This function allows you to digitally upload receipts into your account. It's a simple yet powerful feature that helps you keep all your transactions in one convenient place. By storing your receipts digitally, you reduce clutter and minimize the risk of losing important documents. Select the correct option to begin the upload process. Now, you'll want to be sure your receipts are clear and legible. If you're working with physical receipts, it's a good idea to take a well-lit photo with your mobile device. Make sure each receipt is fully visible with all details captured, as this will help avoid any confusion later. After preparing your receipts, it's time to attach them to your expenses or transactions. This step is crucial as it maintains a direct link between each expense and its related receipt. When you're uploading, navigate to the relevant transaction and attach the corresponding receipt. This organizational strategy helps prevent discrepancies and makes future audits or reviews a breeze. With your receipts attached, take a moment to categorize each expense. Accurate categorization is vital for maintaining clear financial records. Most apps and software offer various categories to choose from, such as travel, office supplies, or meals. Selecting the correct category ensures your expenses are recorded properly and makes generating reports much easier. Finally, don't forget to save your work. After you've attached and categorized your receipts, ensure everything is saved within the system. It's always good practice to double check that all your uploads have been saved successfully. This step ensures all your hard work isn't lost and serves as a working record for your financial tracking efforts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can manage your receipts efficiently using the Receipts tab or mobile app. Staying organized not only saves time, but also provides peace of mind, knowing that all your financial records are in order. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps.